Low-phosphorus meals that taste great with kidney disease. For individuals managing kidney health, adopting a low-phosphorus diet is essential. Phosphorus, found in many foods like dairy, meats, and nuts, can be challenging to balance. However, it's possible to enjoy flavorful meals that align with this dietary restriction. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 5 low-phosphorus meals that taste great, combining health and taste in one satisfying dish. 1. Grilled lemon herb chicken with roasted vegetables. This meal features chicken marinated in lemon, garlic, and herbs, paired with roasted vegetables like zucchini and carrots. The tangy marinade and sweet veggies provide a rich flavor without excessive phosphorus. 2. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu, a plant-based meal. This stir-fry combines tofu with bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas, sautéed in olive oil. Soy sauce, low sodium, adds depth, making it a great low-phosphorus, protein-packed option. 3. Spaghetti squash with tomato basil sauce. Instead of pasta, try roasted spaghetti squash. Topped with a fresh tomato basil sauce, this dish is a healthy, low-phosphorus alternative that's both light and flavorful. 4. Quinoa and avocado salad. Quinoa, avocado, and fresh veggies come together in this satisfying salad. Dressed with a lime vinaigrette, it's a refreshing, nutrient-rich dish that keeps phosphorus levels in check. 5. Baked salmon with herb-crusted potatoes. Salmon, a phosphorus-friendly fish, pairs beautifully with roasted potatoes seasoned with rosemary and thyme. This hearty meal provides omega-3s and a delicious taste. Tips for enhancing the low-phosphorus diet. 1. Choose fresh, whole foods. Avoid processed foods as they often contain phosphorus additives. Fresh vegetables, fruits, and proteins are the best choice. 2. Limit dairy and processed meats. Dairy and processed meats are high in phosphorus. Opt for plant-based alternatives and lean cuts of meat to keep phosphorus intake low. 3. Soak beans and legumes. Soaking beans before cooking can help reduce their phosphorus content, making them a viable option for low-phosphorus meals. 4. Incorporate fresh herbs and spices. Use fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and rosemary to add flavor without adding phosphorus. These low-phosphorus meals that taste great ensure that you can enjoy variety without compromising your health. Experiment with these options for a flavorful and nutritious meal plan. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.